Hello, this is Today on the Range, and I cast these last night and I did a series, I think 3 videos or something about the pressure testing at 34 yards, and I started at, I don't know, I think 3,600, and I took it clear down to about 1650 it was, I believe. I'm just going from a few hours of sleep memory, but anyhow, this is at 78 yards, obviously in the daytime. And that's a half-size torso down there. So let's see what happens. I was sighted in halfway for these rounds. Are actually a 24.2 grain dish nose hollow point that I really love in my Benjamin Akela. So let's zoom in and see what happens. These are sighted in for a 35.4 grain round nose, so totally different projectile. Let's see what the difference is. And this is high pressure and at full power. Since it's daytime, I don't care if I break the sound barrier. In fact, I don't even know if this is going to break the sound barrier. It seems to break the sound barrier once we get to the mid 3,000. No dogs, no dogs. Okay. I think I like this round in this gun. Now I started laughing and I forgot where my center was. I just enjoy this stuff. I gotta shut up. I just made these rounds and this was a random grab and it just did that. So I have no idea where this is gonna go. I'm gonna go half a hash mark down off the sternum bolt. Half a hash mark down from the stern. Uh-oh, incoming goes the dog. I better get one round off. Oh, see, here's where they're leveling up, or that may have just been me. Come on, bud. Freddy. Here he comes. Okay. Hey. Freddy. Here. Freddy. So I'm super focused. Good boy, Fred. Thank you. And actually, frankly, this grouping for me blabbing and laughing at the dog. It's comical to me, maybe not to other people, but whatever. You know, I hear a lot of people saying things about AEAs, and this Challenger 22, it really is a giggling gun. And I mean because it's super intense. Hell, I guess I'll post this one. I don't even care where this one's gonna land because this is 78 yards and I'm just having fun, and mostly this is a neat gun. Oh, there you can see the pressure coming up. That is exactly what I'm doing these series for. So I'm just gonna start doing more of the pressure testing and less of the grouping. What do y'all think about that? Because this stuff is continually, it's a constant learning curve, kind of a joke, bell curve. All right, anyhow, please like or subscribe if you want me to keep on with this. This was at about 4,100 or so start. And I've been finding this gun to be really the best performing at lower pressures. So people with hand pumps and stuff thinking they can't get this, well, you're wrong, because some of the best shots I've gotten with this gun have been at under 2,500 PSI. It is all about the power wheel and the pressures. So anyhow, I'll keep on presenting this type of data, and and I'll try and get over my fixation on perfect groups, because that is far from a perfect group, but it is a great demonstration as to showing what this gun will do with a. I didn't even do any inspections. Most likely half those rounds were, you know, no prom queens, but they still work. 78 yards. The plate next to it is about 7.5 inches. Bang.